What is going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000.com, and I'm going to show you how to get paid to listen to music this year. Okay, now this is a website that I think is really a hidden gem. I don't think really many people know about it, but I really want to bring more attention to it because I feel like it should be a lot more popular than it is. You're going to get paid to review music, and the amount of money they're going to give you is fairly good. And there's lots of reviews you can do. I mean, you can cash out in this site very often. All you need is a minimum of $10 to do that. But I'm going to show you how this works. So I'm on the website here, and you'll see here different things you can actually review. They have auto branding, music, fashion, and mobile. Right now, there is no fashion and mobile, so they just have auto branding and music. Now, I will tell you, music will always be here. That's why, I really just focus on this because this fashion and mobile, they fill up really quickly for whatever reason. But, in today's age, so many people are using music and so many people want reviews. That's why it's always there. I've never came on this website like in the past 15 years that I've been using it, and music has not been available to review. So basically what you'll do, you just click on review music. So when you review the music, basically you'll come to this page. You have to listen to the song for at least a minute and 30 seconds and, leave a review for, a good review. You don't want to just type anything. So I'm going to show you how to leave the review and then you'll rate it. And basically you get paid after that. So I'm going to show you how this is done. So let me go ahead and play it and type my review real quick. So you see that the song has played for at least a minute and 30 seconds because you can't submit your review unless it's played at that amount of time. And when you're writing your review, you want to make sure this bar is continuing to fill up. When you're typing, it will continuously, go up. So you just want to make sure the bar is completely orange. If you notice before I even played the song, this bar was not even here, but now it is. And you just leave an honest review of the song. Just leave an honest review, honestly, just because it doesn't matter what you review it. It's not a disqualification thing. You will get paid for it. So I like this song, so I'll actually give it an 8. And then you'll just kind of go here and, if this is a piece of music with a person, to what extent would you describe it as? And then you go through and mark these as well. So I'll do that real quick. Really just giving my honest opinion just because that's what they want. And at the end of the day, like I said, it's not something that you will actually be disqualified for. They just really want your honest feedback and you'll just mark these. Now, I will tell you, you won't always have to do this, but most of the time you will. And I'll get into later how you can actually submit reviews a little faster or different ways you can submit reviews. So when I'm done actually marking all of these, you'll see all of them are marked. My review is good. The orange bar is full. The song's played for a minute and 30 seconds. So that means everything is straight for me to submit it. So I'll just click on that. And you'll see there, well done for your review. It'll give you the name of the song and the artist. And I got paid 18 cents for this review. So very easy to do. It didn't take long at all. And you'll see my balance went up to now $1.84. And now it is basically just moves you right into the next song. So you can really, just keep on doing this. The amount of money that you can make, it can really go through the roof. I mean, I've made so much money with this one website. And I feel like if more people knew about it, they would use it just because so many people are struggling, to take surveys and, do offers. This is something that is completely easy to do. Just anybody can do it. So that's how it goes. That's just a review on the music section. When it comes to cashing out, basically you'll need a minimum of $10 to do it. So once you get $10 in your account, you can take it to your PayPal, cash out. They do pay out every Tuesday and Thursday, so twice a week. So you'll get your money usually on one of those days. So if you cash out like on a Friday, don't expect to see your money until Tuesday. Or if you cash out, on a Monday, you'll get your money on a Tuesday, things like that. So just know those are the payout days, Tuesday and Wednesday. A website that I really love, going to recommend it. I'm going to leave a link to sign up in the description so you can feel free to do it. It's completely free. Just getting paid to review music. And you see there for that one review, for a minute and a half of my time, I got paid 18 cents. Now, I know 18 cents is not a lot, but when you're doing, lots of reviews, let's say I do, 20 reviews, basically a little bit over 20 minutes, that's $2.80. And I just keep on going because really sometimes the reviews, they don't always pay the same. Sometimes you can get paid a lot. Sometimes you can get paid, just 18 cents. Sometimes, you can just make a little cent. But the thing is, just continue to do this, on the side, whenever you have a little bit of free time, just making, side money. It really does add up. I guarantee you, because like, 18 cent doesn't seem like a lot at first, but just continue to do surveys. You'll be surprised at how fast it does add up just for a short, minute and a half of your time, especially knowing that you will not be disqualified. So, like I said, link is in the description. Get paid to review music, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.